If you've been around McAllen lately, you've probably noticed this city is growing fast. What used to be fields and empty lots are now bustling neighborhoods, new business, and major developments popping up everywhere. Hey everyone, it's Talice, your McAllen Realtor. And every single week, my team and I are getting calls from people looking to purchase homes right here in McAllen. So today, I want to take you on a quick walkthrough of one of the newest neighborhoods in the area, just to show you how much is changing and what is in store for our city's future. From brand new neighborhoods to booming commercial spaces, McAllen is changing fast. Whether you've lived here for years or thinking about making a move, there's no better time to see what's happening on the ground. All right, here we are at Garden Path Subdivision, one of the newest townhome communities in Mission, Texas. We're on Taylor Road between 495 and Mile 2, just minutes away from the Sharyland School District, the Plaza Mall, McAllen Convention Center, the airport, and also top hospitals. We're checking out 2707 East Solar Drive. This home has a spacious open concept layout with 1,963 square feet of living space. You've got 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, making it perfect for families or anyone looking for extra space. It's got these modern finishings, quartz countertops, high ceilings, and a split bedroom layout for added privacy. It's low maintenance lifestyle and a gated community, and the annual HOA fee is just $960. Without further ado, let's go take a look at this beautiful property. Okay, so this is 2705 East Solar, and the first thing you'll notice is this incredible open concept layout. So to our right, we have the formal dining room, perfect for hosting your dinner parties. And straight ahead, we enter the heart of this home, the kitchen. Right away, you can't help but notice this massive island with a sleek quartz countertop and the matching backsplash. It even has under the cabinet lighting, and the lighting beneath the island gives it this cool floating look. You got tons of cabinet space for storage. They also have that under lighting as well. Very beautiful. There's plenty of room here for a large, top-notch stove, making it a chef's dream. Just off the kitchen, you have your pantry. It's not the largest, but it'll do. Since you have so much storage in the kitchen area, it won't matter that much. Just past the pantry, you've got a handy guest bathroom, very convenient for your guests. Let's go take a look at this living room. Wow, look at this space. You've got some custom built wood panels, a sleek TV stand, and modern light fixture. Plus, you have these 3 large windows that flood the room with natural light, making it so open and airy. It's all about style here. Check this out over here. Motion sensor lighting on the staircase. Such a cool touch and practical too. My daughter was with me and she was loving that. Upstairs, we have 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. We'll start with the primary suite. Here's the primary bedroom. Super spacious with a beautiful gold-plated ceiling fan. We've got some large windows with some amazing natural light and a fantastic view. Let's go check out the master closet. This closet is very large, very beautiful. Got plenty of storage built in, and also a shoe rack. You have a lot of shoes like me, this is a dream. And even a coat rack in here as well. Very nice. The ensuite bathroom is just as impressive. You've got your dual vanity sinks, elegant light fixtures, and some natural light coming from outside as well. Love that. I love this shower. Let's go check it out. Spacious with gold-plated fixtures and a luxurious rainfall shower. I love the tiles in here. Let's go check out the two other bedrooms. Since this is a split floor plan, so they are across the hall, that gives you a lot of privacy here. And we've also got a laundry room upstairs, so that's super convenient being up here. Each of these two bedrooms are quite large and also have a walk-in closet with built-in shelving. Great for family or guests. The second full bathroom also has beautiful cabinets and a stylish mirror with gold-plated faucets and a large shower with lighter tile for a fresh look. My daughter is just simply loving these motion sensor lights. So you know we had to show them off again. So beautiful. Let's go take a look at the backyard. Now out here, you've got a cozy backyard, perfect for low maintenance. You still get this cute little patio with a large fan. It's a great little spot to hang out. These are townhomes, so you don't expect to have, a country mile back here.
Y'all know I had to go back to the kitchen. It's my favorite spot in this house. I just love how large this island is. You can easily fit 4 or 5 people here. And let's just have one last look at this open layout. You've got the seamless flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, perfect for entertaining or just enjoying daily life.
So whether you're looking to buy your first home, invest, or relocate, McAllen has something for everyone. I'd love to help you find the perfect home. If you want to learn more about this home or any other property in the area, reach out to me at 956-300-4343 or email me at brysales@outlook.com. You can book a call directly with me at the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I post twice a week to keep you updated on McAllen's real estate market. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, have a blessed day.